There's a certain point where daily vacuuming stops feeling productive and just becomes another thing on your list. That's exactly where a smart robot vacuum can start making real sense, especially when it's designed to handle the cleanup almost entirely on its own. Welcome back to Buy with Confidence. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Shark IQ Robot Self-Empty XL, a robot vacuum built for people who want cleaner floors with less day-to-day effort. From self-emptying convenience to smart home mapping and powerful suction, this model is designed to reduce the amount of maintenance usually associated with robot vacuums. If you're dealing with pet hair, busy schedules, or large floor spaces, this may be one of the more practical options in its category. And if you'd like to check current pricing or availability, the purchase link is waiting for you in the description below. Reason 1. Truly low-maintenance cleaning. One of the standout features here is the self-emptying XL base. After each cleaning cycle, the robot automatically empties collected dirt and debris into the dock, which can hold up to 45 days of dust depending on your home environment. That means fewer interruptions, less manual emptying, and a much smoother ownership experience overall. The fact that it uses a bagless system also helps reduce long-term maintenance costs compared to models that require replacement disposal bags. Reason 2. Smart navigation that feels reliable. The IQ navigation and home mapping system allow this vacuum to clean in a more organized, methodical way rather than randomly bouncing around your home. It moves row by row, room to room, which improves coverage and cleaning efficiency. Once your home is mapped, you can even choose specific rooms to clean directly from the app. For larger homes or multi-room layouts, that level of control adds genuine convenience. Reason 3. Strong everyday cleaning performance. Shark has built a strong reputation for suction performance, and that carries over here. The vacuum handles both fine debris and larger particles effectively across hard floors and carpets. It's especially useful for homes with pets thanks to the self-cleaning brushroll, which is engineered to resist hair wrap while maintaining consistent pickup performance. Trusted by many 5-star reviewers, this model has earned attention for balancing power with ease of use. Reason 4. Smart home integration that actually helps. The Wi-Fi connectivity and voice control support make this feel more like a modern home appliance rather than just another gadget. You can schedule cleanings through the Shark Clean app, target specific rooms, or simply start a cleaning session using Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. For busy households, that flexibility becomes surprisingly valuable over time. Reason 5. Designed for real homes, not perfect floors. Another important detail is the recharge and resume functionality. If the battery runs low during cleaning, the robot returns to the dock, recharges, and continues where it left off. That makes it far more capable in larger homes where a single battery cycle may not cover everything at once. In the end, the Shark IQ Robot Self-Empty XL isn't trying to be flashy, and that's part of its appeal. It focuses on practical convenience, dependable cleaning, and reducing the amount of work required to maintain clean floors every day. It does have limitations. Like most robot vacuums, deep corner cleaning and heavily cluttered spaces can still require occasional manual attention. But for pet owners, busy professionals, or families looking for a smarter long-term cleaning solution, this is a very well-rounded option that delivers meaningful day-to-day value. If your goal is to spend less time thinking about floor cleaning while still keeping your home consistently tidy, this is absolutely a product worth considering. Thanks for watching Buy with Confidence, and hopefully this review helped you decide with a little more clarity and confidence.